Hello, welcome back. I'm coming today from again from my workplace, and today is going to be just a small, quick video on the feedback on the zippo container. I had a very interesting comment on one of my previous videos on this zippo container, and apparently it is the first time that people saw this container. So it's interesting to think that South Africa's got a zippo accessory which Americans haven't seen. So that was quite interesting. But let me show you how nice this container is for emergency when you need some fuel for your zippo. It's got a containing area, and you just unzip and open, and that's it. Come with a clip to clip on your keys. So very handy little container, as you can see. Whenever I need just and you don't have to use everything, just enough to get you back on track with your zippo and to light your pipe. So that's going to be all for today. Just a quick feedback update on this little neat zippo container. And there you have it. So I'm smoking my Stanwell and appreciating the awesome background and nature that we've got here. There is a piece of the area that I live and stay, and right there at the background, I'm not sure whether you want to see it. There's a no, it's too far, but there's a cascade that is caused by the heavy rains and the waterfall that falls from there. So from me then, with that quick update, enjoy your day, keep piping, and come back for more. See you later. Bye-bye.